and you suspect your tiger may be going through a midlife crisis. This week in Tumblr answers all your science questions. Cuteness Overload. Making the best of it. When you're hoping for the best and expecting the worst. That magical moment when you look at an animal and know what they're thinking. It's always the ones you least expect.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and like and comment down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video then. Take care. Bye.